safe start. My ABS light came on and went off. Make sure it's in neutral, clutch in, and started. And the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. The latches in place. It's not cut free. And it's adjusted to me. Then after my seatbelt, check my windshield. They're mounted secure. Not cracked, they're broken. No illegal stickers. Check my windshield wipers. They work. My blades are flush to the window, and they are not cut or free. Check my windshield washers. They work. Then I'm gonna go to my mirrors. They're mounted secure. Not cracked, they're broken. No illegal stickers. And they're adjusted to me. And after my mirror, boom, boom. Both horns work. And after my horn, I'm gonna turn my light switch on. My high beam indicator switch, it worked. My left turn signal, it worked. My right turn signal, it worked. My four-way flashers, they work. I'm gonna check my gauges. My voltmeter, it should read between 12 and 14. My oil pressure gauge should read between 20 and 45. My water temperature gauge should read between 170 and 210. My air pressure gauge should read between 120 and 125. Put my heater defroster on one switch. Heater defroster together. My defrost, it works. My heater, it works. Put that back on normal. I'm gonna let it build up a little bit more before I do my brake inspection. My trailer brake check with a neutral yellow knob first. Ease up off my clutch. My trailer parking brakes, they work. Pull the tractor out, trailer in. Ease up off my clutch. My tractor parking brake, it works. I'm gonna do 5 miles per hour and check my service brake. My service brake, they work, but I'm gonna back up a little bit. Get out of everybody's way. But after you've done your service brake, my service brake, they work. After I've done my service brake, don't touch nothing except the key switch. All right? If you do anything else, you're gonna fail. If you pull these, especially if you pull these out. Turn the switch off. Put it back in on position without starting it. Then I'm gonna do my leak test first. Hold my brakes for 1 minute. It shouldn't leak no more than 4 PSI. That's long enough. Now I'm gonna do my warning system test. Pump till my warning light comes on. And it comes on around 60 PSI. And now I'm gonna do my emergency brake test. I'm gonna pump till my valve pop out. It will pop out around 20 to 45. Open the valve pop out. And just think for a minute to make sure I haven't forgot anything. Go over in your mind. What all you do first? Seat belt? I mean, the first thing, just think in your mind of stuff you do in order. My ABS light, did I check that?
Yep.
Safe start. Windshield, mirror, seat belt, windshield, mirror, horn. Just talk yourself through it. All right. That completes my in-cab inspection. I think we should have made a 90, huh? All right. Outstanding.